So week 4 Sunday session is going to have the barbell squat session again. So this time we'll start with the midpoint of week 3. So that'll be 16 kilogram barbell, barbell, 6 reps, 1 set and a 3.5 minute break. And then we'll go up to 18 kilograms, 6 reps, 1 set and again a 3.5 minute break. Then we'll finally go up to 20 kilograms, 6 reps, 1 set and a 3.5 minute break. This week, like the other weeks, we have done barbell squats. We have started at the midpoint of the last week as a progression. The reason for this is to help him gradually be able to push himself further on his leg. So moving on to week 5, it's going to start off with a plyometric session. 2 minutes on the treadmill as a warm-up. Then we'll go into standing jumps with a 6 kilogram medicine ball, 8 reps, 3 sets and a 2.5 in between. One-legged squats, 8.5 kilogram sandbag on his back, 12 reps, and that'll be that. And then we'll go on to mini hurdle hops, 12 reps, 3 sets, and a 2.5 minute break in between. And then we'll finally go on to jumps onto a platform, 14 reps of that, 3 sets, and a 2.5 in between. And for the cool down, we'll do like we usually do, is the PNF stretching. This week has a progression in order to keep the overload that has been taking place over the past weeks. The reason of this is it is important to keep the progression going. So his body keeps improving, his leg keeps improving. Then Thursday we'll do another plyometric, 2 minutes on the cross trainer to warm up with. Then we'll do one-legged jumps, 12 reps, 3 sets and 2.5 in between. And then we'll do squats with a medicine ball with a throw at the top. 12 reps, 3 sets and a 2.5 minute break in between. And then he'll finally do lunge jumps. He'll now do 18 reps of those, 3 sets and a 2.5 minute break. This session includes progressions in the sets and the repetitions to keep the overload up, as he'll be really progressing at this point. Saturday we'll do the normal run, 3k with the treadmill set to 8.5, walking allowed if needed but only for up to 30 seconds. This is just to keep the overall fitness, but as you can see, the speed of the treadmill's now gone up, the distance has stayed the same, speed's gone up, and the time he's allowed to walk for has gone down as progressions. Sunday we'll do the barbell squat session. We'll now start with an 18 kilogram barbell, 6 reps, 1 set and a 3.5 minute in between. And then we'll go up to 20 kilogram barbell, 6 reps, again with one set of that with a 3.5 minute break in between. We'll then finish the week off with a 22 kilogram barbell, 6 reps and 1 set of that. Moving on to the final week. Monday's going to start off with the plyometric session, 1.5 minutes on the tread, warm up, and then warm up shouldn't be there. He'll start off with lunge jumps, 20 reps, 3 sets, and a 2 minute break in between. He'll then do a new exercise to avoid tedium. That's going to be knee tuck jumps, 10 reps, 3 sets, and a 2 minute break in between. He's then going to do some box jumps, 12 reps, 3 sets, and a 2 minute break in between. And then for the cool down, of course, we'll do PNF. This session includes progressions in the time and intensity of the sets and reps to keep the progression over the weeks going. It also does include a new exercise, 2 new exercises, which is the knee tuck jumps and the box jumps, as to avoid tedium. Thursday's plyometric session is going to start with 2 minutes on the rower as a warm-up. We'll then do 20 reps of lunge jumps, 3 sets and a 2 minute break in between. We'll then do jumps onto the platform, 16 reps of that, 3 sets and 2 minute break in between. Then we'll do mini hurdle hops, 14 reps, 3 sets and a 2 minute break in between. One-legged squats with an 8 kilogram sandbag this time. I'm going to do 12 reps of that, so the weight and the reps has gone up. Then a 2 minute break in between. And I'll finish off with some backboard slaps, which is another new exercise to avoid tedium. We'll do 10 reps of that, 3 sets and a 2 minute break. We'll cool down with the PNF as usual. This session includes some new exercises to stop tedium occurring, and also some he is familiar with to test how far he has come, as it is the final week. Saturday is going to go on to a 3.5k run, so the distance has gone up with the speed set to 8.5, so the speed has stayed the same. Walking allowed, but only for up to 35 seconds. This is to keep his cardiovascular endurance and his legs good for when he's doing plyo training. Sunday, the final session, which is the barbell squats, is now going to start with a 20 kilogram barbell, 6 reps, 1 set, and a 3-minute break in between. Then we'll do 22 kilogram barbell, 6 reps, 1 set with a 3.5 in between. And then finally, 24 kilogram barbell, 6 reps, 1 set, and a 3.5 break. This is to test how much better all his leg muscles have got this week. And when I say this week, it also means overall because this is week 6. So thank you for watching.